Khan, the supervisor of Wisdom Academy English School, would like to thank you all for responding to our invitation and gracing this occasion. It is a great pleasure for me to present the annual report of the year 2025-26 of Wisdom Academy English School. With the great support of our Honorable President, Mr. Qasim Ansari Sir, our management members, our principal Sir, Mr. Hashim Ansari Sir, teaching and non-teaching staff, and our respected parents, we have successfully completed another academic year with efficient dedication and hard work. The school plays an important role in the gradual learning of the process of student. We strive to make them competent in every sphere of life. We strive to make them better person for world and for hereafter. This year has been very eventful for us as our third batch of SSC have made us proud with their immense and excellent performance. The SSC result of March 2025 was great. Around 65 students had appeared in the exam. Among them, we have 11 students passed with the distinctions, 14 students had passed with the first class, so then 20 students had secured second class and 20 students were at pass class position. The overall school percentage is 95.83%. Among these, we have 3 rankers. First was secured by Khan Fawzia Muhammad Hamza with 89.60%. Second was backed by Ansari Krabano Naushad Ahmed with 83.40%. And on third, we have Khan Yusuf Muhammad Tariq with 79.40%. Among these, we have Khan Fawzia Muhammad Hamza, who had made us proud by securing the highest marks in all subjects. We heartily congratulate them. Moving forward, our students had participated in various competitions organized by different schools of the city, that is inter-school competition. Our students had participated in drawing competition organized by Samadia High School and by Sky Adda Academy. English elocution program by Al-Ummat English School. Our talented students of primary section had participated in fancy dress competition organized by Al-Ummat English School and show and tell organized by Mariam School. Our student had also participated in dictionary reading competition organized by Salahuddin Ayyubi English High School. Now, let's talk about the intra-school competition, which means competition within the school. This year, there were many activities both in primary and secondary section, which warm up the students' interest and creativity. The competitions include handwriting, drawing, card making, elocution program, reading, science labeling, poem recitation, etc. Our primary student had also participated in the rainy season activities, fruit cutting activities, orange days activities, etc. These all activities invoke the confidence, creativity, and skills of students. Moving forward, our students had also participated in sports inter-school competition, which include football match at All Saints Schools, Rice High School, chess tournament at district level, 4th state level yoga karate championship, and in running. This boosts their physical strength and among the students. During November, we have conducted our school annual sports, which include various outdoor activities like running, kho-kho, kabaddi, football, handball, dodgeball, tug of war, and many more. Our primary section students had also participated with sack race, chocolate race, frog race, etc. These sports activities pulled up the students' interest and creativity in games. We have celebrated many different days like Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Republic Day with great enthusiasm and dedication. We have also organized a career lecture for the students of standard 9th and 10th and mobile awareness activity for the primary section students. We have also arranged a school picnic for Wet and Joy Resort for the boys and Tikuchi Niwadi for the girls. It was an amazing experience. Moving forward, we had also conducted annual prize distribution, parents-teachers meeting, parents-teacher association meeting. We are glad to have such a supportive and respectful parents in our institution. Now, none of these things would be possible without the dedicated teachers. They guide and support our students when they learn and grow. We are thankful and lucky to have a group of experienced, passionate, and enthusiastic teachers, teaching staff. The school surely appreciate their hard work. We thank all the managing committee members of their constant support. We truly appreciate the dedication of our principal sir. A warm thank you to all our non-teaching staff for their great support. Let's conclude by extending our sincere gratitude to all the parents, well-wishers who have lent us supportive hands throughout the year. We have great update planning for the next year. We are ready to create confidence, skills among the upcoming generation. At last, I thank the Almighty Allah for the numerous blessings and for choosing us among the many for this noble task to serve in the society. We pray that He continues to give us strength, courage, knowledge to keep forward our task with still greater achievement. Thank you.